You already know what the fuck going on. It's your boy Illy Trey, and I'm back again with another video. Hey, I'm gonna let y'all know this now. Ain't nothing but action in this motherfucker. You feel me? Nothing but action. So make sure y'all watch the whole video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow all my socials, which is at the end of the video. Hey, run this shit up, man. And guess what? Never mind. Oh, and make sure y'all watch my videos. I don't put them in a playlist for y'all, so make sure y'all go to the playlist and look at all the playlists. Got all my music videos, all my shorts together, all my car show videos together, everything together, man. So y'all go watch the videos. Run them minutes up. Hey man, this how we got to start the video. You feel me? Like that there. What's in the cut right here? What that is, y'all? What that is, y'all? What that is? You feel me? Red Goods. Follow that boy. You feel me? Demon 170. Oh shit, what's this? Got the racing wheel, Mickey Thompson's on that bitch. God damn. Why that bitch started losing traction in the Accord?
That's the type of bag.
I'm trying to get in much. ZL1. More partings. Oh yeah, he come through slime. Hold up. Don't play with him. Ooh, Pete cut. Miracle. It said with the front end, ZL1 front end. Yeah.
2 weeks ago, it'll be done.
That motherfucker thick though. Look who here. It's just Altima. It's just Altima. That nigga shit so fucking big. What the fuck? That's what she said. See what's going on out here. That bit poppin'. Down there. They got the doggies out here. I should have brought my dog, man. I just playing. Black one gonna be able to fit it now, I ain't gonna lie. I'd be mad as hell that nigga sit on me. Smoke them out! That motherfucker loud. Hey, bro, don't embarrass yourself, bro. Turn the traction on, bro. God damn.
You got a cat? What are you doing?
Man, that's a red eye, ain't it? Slim by the red eye. There you go. There you go. Ooh, like to wreck that motherfucker, though. The scatty gotta show you. Got granddad out there, motherfucker. Yeah, where the hell Kayad went?
Oh, my pussy!
Oh my God. Hey, you just nutted up. Why? That nigga told us, oh my pussy. Hell no, bro. That motherfucker loud. God damn, bro. Mom about to start cussing. Oh shit. Who that is over there? That nigga acting up over here, boy. What is 5 something? Oh yeah, it is. Oh, he on bullshit. He got the tag covered and everything. He on bullshit. Damn. He just got smacked. Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Oh, shit. Hey, how was I just looking for y'all and then ran into y'all? Don't whine, man, dude. Hey, that might work. This takeover action right here, I ain't gonna lie. This a takeover shit. That look like Silverback over there. Dang. Look, they teaching them now. Don't forget, it's still a Mustang, y'all. Remember that bitch got aimbot.
You gonna show something?
I think you finna goddamn. They gonna hike this man ass.